Hey friends, today I'm showing you this Gatling electric bubble machine. Electric by I mean is the battery. So this is a battery operated bubble machine in terms of like a gun. So this is 8-hole ultimate form output bubble maker, and you can see the battery precaution. It requires 3 AA batteries that is not supplied with the package, so you have to use on your own. Let me open the package and then we can see. So here is the design. This is approximately, I will say, 20 centimeter long and 9.5 centimeter in height, and the width is around 5 centimeter. So you can see this design. This is a small hand gun sort of. This is just a little handle for fun for kids to hold, and this is the fan that it's there for making the bubbles, and this is the top gun so that it will be safe for kids and they will not put their finger inside it. So once you add up this top, and you have to add the battery in with the plastic. It's lightweight. This is the button, one-handed button that you can use. This is the bubble mixture that comes with the pack. You can use any bubble mixture for the bubbles. So this where like you need to put the batteries in. So 3 AA batteries that you need to put inside it. Once this is all put, then you can put the bubble mixture. The bubble mixture can be put inside this tray, supply tray. Yes, put some of the bubble mixture in this tray. Now dip your gun top portion in this bubble liquid and press the button for the fun. So this is like a blast of bubble, small bubbles that comes along with it, and you can see that there is a lot of bubble. It's a fun for kids and easy to use. Just put it in there and then you're good to go. So see the burst of the bubble, a lot of bubbles coming, powerful fan, and yeah, easy to use with one hand. And you can use this in a carnival bubble mode, or like any way you want to use. So if you remove this, so this will be a safe cool fan mode in the top portion, and if you put this the bubble thing inside it, then it is a carnival bubble mode. So overall it's a fun. You can use any bubble mixture if you're out of this mixture, and the complete set is easy to use, easy to clean, handy, portable, and fun to use.